I am. Okay. Moving on, we are going to see category number 6.6. This is our senior division. This is senior solo contemporary age 18. Right now we have one entry. Please help me welcome Samantha. Leave Me in the Dark.
Feel the sunlight coming through, but I'm not ready to wake up, lose this feeling. Another night of dreams, a place where we can meet. Tell you all the things I want to. Sunlight have a heart. Leave me in the dark a little longer. Last night we took a walk down by the ocean. Darkness hiding us away. But the sky began to change, and I was helpless. You were fading. Nothing I could do but sigh. Meet you in my dreams the next time. Sunlight have a heart. Leave me in the dark a little longer. Maybe when the winter comes, days and nights will blend into one cold December snow. Leave me alone a little longer.
That was Leave Me in the Dark. Thank you, Samantha. And that completes